Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a secure way to transfer files between computers or servers, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down SCP and SFTP, two essential tools for secure file transfers. Let's jump in. What are SCP and SFTP? So, what exactly are SCP and SFTP? SCP, or Secure Copy Protocol, is like a direct, no-nonsense way to copy files from one computer to another over a network. SFTP, or Secure File Transfer Protocol, does the same but offers more features, like managing files remotely. Both are secure because they use SSH, or Secure Shell, to encrypt your data. How to use SCP for file transfers. Let's start with SCP. If you want to quickly copy a file from your local machine to a remote server, SCP is your go-to. Open your terminal and type this command. Here's what's happening. SCP is taking the file from your local path and securely copying it to the remote server under the specified directory. You'll be prompted to enter your password, and voila, the file is transferred. Transferring files from server to local with SCP. Want to copy a file from a server back to your local machine? No problem. Just reverse the command like this. This command copies a file from the remote server to your local directory. Easy, right? Using SFTP for secure file transfers. Now, let's talk about SFTP. Unlike SCP, SFTP allows you to interact with files on a remote server just like you would locally. To start an SFTP session, simply type. You'll enter an SFTP shell where you can navigate through directories, upload, download, and even delete files. It's like having a remote file manager right in your terminal. Uploading and downloading files with SFTP. To upload a file, use the put command, and to download, use get. Here's how to upload a file. And downloading a file is just as easy. You're in full control with SFTP. Key differences and when to use each. So, when should you use SCP versus SFTP? SCP is perfect for quick, one-off file transfers when you just need to copy files over fast. SFTP is better when you need more flexibility, like managing files on the remote server, or if you need to upload, download multiple files interactively. Security tips. Remember, both SCP and SFTP are only as secure as your SSH setup. Always use strong passwords or SSH keys, and make sure your SSH configuration is secure. Thanks for watching, folks. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and tutorials. Let us know in the comments if there's anything specific you want to learn next. Until then, stay safe and keep your data secure.